This is a basic short animation video I made using AI.
Mia is a magical girl whose mission is to find a wishing star to save her village.
I believe in magic. We have to find the wish star.
Her closest companion was Oliver, a wise and clever owl.
Follow me, Mia. Together we can solve this mystery.
As they continued, they faced many trials, a raging river that needed crossing, a forest full of dangers and mysteries. Finally, after many days of traveling, they reached the mountain with the wishing star, but they found nothing.
Friendship and growth from adventures of our wish star.
Let's go back and save the village with our own courage and knowledge.
These 3D children's animated stories earn millions of views on YouTube in recent years. This YouTube channel has 14.2 million followers, and videos have hundreds of millions of views. These channels earn thousands of dollars every month. Making money by doing this is very easy to do, right? In this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating a beautiful 3D animated story for kids. Using powerful AI tools like ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, Dream Machine 11 Labs, and CapCut, you'll learn how to create characters, scenes, and animations that engage your audience. Let's go. The first step in creating our animated story is to write a compelling script. We will use ChatGPT, a powerful AI tool that can help us generate creative text. In the prompt box, type, write a short story about a girl named Mia who goes on an adventure to find the missing wish star with her friend, Oliver the Owl. Include themes of friendship and courage. Generate the story. Press enter and wait for ChatGPT to generate the story. Once the story is generated, review it and make any necessary edits. You can ask ETP Chat to help you get more ideas for your script. Now that we have our script, it's time to create our characters. We'll use Leonardo AI, a free tool for generating images. Press Image Creation. In the prompt box, types a cheerful girl with bright eyes, wearing a colorful dress and looking adventurous. Remember to set preset style to 3D render. Click on Generate and wait for the image to appear. Next, enter the prompts, a wise owl with large, sparkling eyes and fluffy feathers. Generate this character as well. Look at these wonderful characters. They will bring our story to life. Download these images and save them in a folder for easy access. Next, we need to create the setting for our adventure, the Enchanted Forest. Again, we'll use Leonardo AI to generate stunning visuals. Cut to the prompt input, a magical forest filled with colorful flowers, sparkling streams, and whimsical creatures. Enter the prompt for the forest and generate several images to capture the essence of the environment where Mia and Oliver will explore. Choose the images that best represent the enchanting atmosphere and download them. East vibrant scenes will provide the perfect backdrop for our characters' adventures. Now, let's create additional scenes for the challenges Mia and Oliver will face on their journey. Enter the prompt, a sparkling river with a mysterious bridge and a glowing light beneath the water. Generate an image with the prompt, a dark, shadowy forest filled with whispering trees and glowing eyes. Finally, generate an image for the prompt, a towering mountain with echoes bouncing off its walls. Each images will help illustrate the key moments in our story, making it visually captivating. Now it's time to bring our characters and scenes to life. We'll use Dream Machine to turn our images into animations. Go to the Dream Machine website and create an account if you haven't already. Click on the Upload button and select the images of Mia, Oliver, and the Enchanted Forest. For each image, you can add prompts to specify the actions. For example, for Mia in the forest, Mia walking through the forest, looking around in wonder. For Oliver flying, Oliver the owl soaring above the trees, flying up. For the river scene, Ian Oliver standing at the edge of the sparkling river, contemplating the bridge. Click on Generates and wait for the animations to be created. This may take a few minutes depending on the complexity of the scenes. Watch as our characters begin to move and interact with the magical environment. This is where the story truly comes to life. To add personality to our characters, we'll create voiceovers using PlayH. Press Create. Choose a cheerful voice that fits her character from the voice library. In the text box, enter Mia's lines, such as, "I believe in magic, we have to find the wish star." Choose the appropriate voice reading speed. Click Generate and listen to the output.
I believe in magic. We have to find the wish star.
If you're satisfied, download the audio file. Repeat the process for Oliver, entering lines like, "Follow me, Mia. Together, we can solve this mystery." Select a wise and playful voice for him.
Follow me, Mia. Together, we can solve this mystery.
Make sure to download all the voiceovers for each character. This will help our audience connect with the characters on a deeper level. Finally, it's time to put everything together. Using CapCut, we'll compile our animations, voiceovers, and background music to create a seamless video. Go to the CapCut website or download the app on your device. Click on Create Project and import all your animated scenes and voiceovers. Arrange the timeline. Drag and drop the animated scenes onto the timeline according to the script. Ensure that the audio matches the visuals perfectly. Cut unnecessary small segments to make the video smoother. Add background music. Go to the audio section and select a magical background music track that complements the story. You can find royalty-free music on platforms like YouTube Audio Library or Free Music Archive. Adjust the volume levels so that the music enhances the storytelling without overpowering the dialogue. To make our video even more engaging, we'll add sound effects and captions. Go to the sound effects library in CapCut, search for sounds like AW otter flowing and owl hooting. Place these sound effects on the timeline where appropriate to enhance the atmosphere. To make the video accessible, we'll add captions. Go to the text menu and select Auto Captions. CapCut will automatically generate captions based on the voiceovers. Review and edit them for accuracy. These elements will make your story more immersive and enjoyable for viewers.
I believe in magic. We have to find the wish star.
Follow me, Mia. Together, we can solve this mystery.
Once you're satisfied with the edits, it's time to export your video by press Export button. Congratulations, you've created your very own 3D animated kids story. Now it's time to share your creation with the world through YouTube. As you continue your journey in animation, consider exploring more AI tools that can enhance your storytelling. I will teach you those AI applications in the following videos. Experiment with these tools to find what works best for your creative style. And just like that, you have created a high-quality, high-eating animated kids story video using only AI tool. By following these steps, you've positioned yourself to consistently produce engaging content, grow your channel, and potentially earn thousands each month. As you embark on this journey, remember that the world of YouTube Short is rich with insights and ideas just waiting to be explored. Your unique perspective can inspire and challenge others, creating a ripple effect that extends far beyond your channel. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see the incredible content you create. Remember, every great YouTuber started with a single thought or idea. Let your voice be heard and keep exploring the depths of MMO on YouTube. Until next time, stay curious.